A talented parrot who can draw better than me. It looks like it really understands what it's doing. Nothing personal. I'm just doing my job. Imagine if the motor dies. This is what adrenaline looks like.
Round one, fight!
And look at Randy Orton slithering.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
KO! Here's the cover.
Does it seem to you that it is surprised on purpose?
Do it!
Watching the cameraman, I would be as surprised as the cat. The man flew by Cape Canaveral just as the SpaceX Falcon 9 was being launched.
Oh no, this is unbelievable. Oh, this is unbelievable.
Imagine the people on the other side of the plane.
Oh, what are the chances of this?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff.
I bet you'll feel their happiness. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next video.